Welcome to the Martin Luther King High School transfer process. This is where you will find all of the information you need to know about transfers. First of all, let's talk about the deadline because that's going to be very important. December 12th at 5 p.m. is the deadline by email, which means that it will have a timestamp. So please make sure to be punctual. The other information that you need to know is that we are going to have a workshop. The workshop is going to be from 5 to 6:30 on November 5th. If you're interested in attending, this is a couple of ways that you could transfer to Martin Luther King High School for the engineering program. First of all, if you live in the Martin Luther King High School district area, you do not need to apply. You simply talk to the counselors and they will assist you. But here is more information on counselor information if you're interested. The other methods of transferring to Martin Luther King via the Project Lead the Way program is through the intra-district transfer. You will click here, and this will take you to the application. The other two options, so intra means that you are already part of Riverside Unified School District and you are interested in the program. The inter-district transfer means that you are attending a different district and wish to attend one of the schools at RUSD, especially Martin Luther King High School for their program in engineering. The other option here is called the district of choice. The district of choice means that you are currently a student at RUSD, but you attended RUSD on a district of choice transfer. You would simply continue that transfer and then complete the application. So these are the buttons that you could press, or you could also locate them at the top of the page. So let me click on this one just so that you could see. If you're unsure if you live within the boundary areas of Martin Luther King High School, there is a map here that you could click on to find that out. You could also notice these are the counselors, that you could also contact them if you have any questions about whether or not your child is to attend Martin Luther King High School. In the Riverside, there's this other tab here. This other tab allows you to look at RUSD, the transfer process. Notice if you're already a student in RUSD, then this is the form that you would fill out. Notice it says that does not apply if you transfer to RUSD. This applies only if RUSD is your home district. These are the forms that you would fill out. This form right here is the primary form. This information is really important. Please make sure that you complete all of the details there. This one's for the student. The student will then give this to their counselor and the student will complete this portion, which is a short essay. Okay. The next type of applications are the non-RUSD student transfers. So that means here that you are currently attending a different district and you wish to attend RUSD and are interested in the Project Lead the Way engineering program. So this is the application you would complete, and this is the one for the student. However, this one does require that you visit your home district and ask for a release form. Make sure that you let them know that this program is a 4-year commitment, and they will assist you with the right forms to fill out. Okay. The other type of transfer is if you've already transferred to RUSD, but you wish to continue your transfer. This is called a district of choice. Typically, this one is completed by students in the middle school that have transferred to either Earhart, Miller, or any other schools in the district, but this would be the district of choice application. And again, this is the form that would be filled out. If you have the district of choice already, please make sure that you attach it here so that we don't have to fill out any documentation from your home district. Again, this is the application that would be filled out by the student. This over here would be the essay. This portion would be given to their counselor. And then this is just the documentation checklist. So notice there's a checklist over here of all the items that need to be submitted. There's one last type of transfer, and that's the general transfer to transfer into Riverside Unified School District, or just transfers into Martin Luther King High School would go directly through the district. This would not go through me, which I'm Ms. Guzman. this would go through the district. So when you click on this tab, this will take you directly to RUSD, the RUSD website. This is where you will find all the documentation about the different transfers in the district. So please make sure you visit that link. Heading back to this one though, let me just kind of recap how to apply. So going back to the home page, this right here is really, really helpful, which are the definitions for each of the types of transfers. So feel free to ask me any questions. Notice here's my contact information. Again, the deadlines are extremely important. 5 p.m. by email, again, 4 p.m. via in person if you wish to submit the forms. So once again, thank you again for your time. I hope this little tutorial was helpful. And please make sure that you click on the links and then the applications. Let me just mention one last thing. Right here in the applications, heading to this one, and this is true of all the applications. These are all PDFs, which means that all you would have to do is download the PDF so that you could gain access to it. Okay. Or another option is to print them and create a PDF when you print. So notice when you print it, you could easily go and create a PDF. Okay, so notice my internet is not that great, so I will pause this and, oh, there it is. Okay, so notice I would save it as a PDF so that I could complete the form. Okay, make sure that you look at the deadlines, super important. And again, feel free to ask me, reach out to me if you have any questions. Again, there's my email address there. There's my phone number there as well. If you have any questions, once again, my name is Ms. Guzman. Feel free to ask. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.